to the channel. Before we get started today, I would just like to get y'all to go down, click the subscribe button. That way you get notified of any videos that we put up or anything like that. And please, after the video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. All right, so today, what we're gonna do is, a lot of people always ask me how I get my battery chargers, my power strips and everything, how I get them mounted, because it's difficult to get the screw in the little hole and then push it down. Then one of them is fine, but it's always the second one that you have to drill 2 or 3 holes. But today, we're going to solve that problem for you. So without further ado, on to the video. All right, now guys, we're down in a close-up view, and I'm gonna show you how I do it. I take just a roll of just regular old painter's tape. I get this at Harbor Freight. It's a whole hell of a lot cheaper than any of the rest of the stuff. But I just put the piece of tape over it, take the end of a Sharpie, and just, oh, I'm sorry, and just draw the circle, draw the circle. Simple as that. Simple as that. Then you just take it off. And I'm not gonna mount it, but I'm gonna just lay it on my 2x4. Or we'll call this a wall. Then you just put your screws in the center of the holes. May have to go down a little bit more with them. Now, if you wanted to, you could even put you a level on there and make you a level line and put the tape on it. But then you just take it, you match it up with your holes, and bam, there you go. The simplest way to mount anything with those style of clicks. Okay, now if you like this is the simplest way you can do this. If you like it, just click like on the button below, and always please subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching at Backyards Customs.